Hi everyone, it's Karen from the home office, and I am so excited to share some great new things with you about our paper packets and our workshops. So we're going to go right here to what you're seeing on your screen and talk about what you're seeing. It's so exciting. First of all, we'll see the Every Little Thing paper pack, and I think I'll use that for just a second to give you a few examples. You're going to notice quickly that there are less papers in a paper pack, which is great news because currently, with all of the papers we had in our paper packs, we were getting lots of emails and letters and people saying that there's a lot left over. I don't know how to use it. I hate to have this waste. So you're going to see that you're going to get 6 papers in a paper pack here. 2 each of 3 different papers. So I'm going to go over each of them with you. This floral paper in Every Little Thing, the back side of that is the stripes. That's how I've got them arranged here for you to see. This second sheet of paper, you can see how versatile it is. 2 different greens and a gorgeous little zip strip. And then this third paper is this beautiful wash and these sapphire flowers. You get 2 of each of those. In addition, instead of a cut-apart sheet, you are now getting a sticker sheet. So the stickers are cardstock weight, just like our regular awesome quality stickers. Peel right off easily and are a really nice weight. A few things to notice about the paper pack. You'll notice that it has at least 1 nice big hero, and the rest of the pack, and sometimes 2, the rest of the pack is very usable. So although you may look at Every Little Thing and quickly think flowers and butterflies, most of that theme is in the stickers. The rest of that theme you'll see in a hero paper, and the rest of that pack is just going to be really versatile and really usable. Let's look at Hawthorn so you can see that same strategy put into action. Here we are with Hawthorn, again 6 papers. 2 each of these designs, and you can see here that we have 2 papers that you might call heroes that are a little more themey. We have this leaf paper and this fun hexagon paper that has a little bit of an autumn masculine look to it. The rest of the papers could be used for so many different things, and we want that to be the case because we want you to be able to look at it and without saying, oh, I can't possibly use that pack because I don't have any masculine photos to scrapbook and I don't have any autumn photos to scrapbook. That would never be the case with any of these paper packs because there's so much versatility in what we've chosen to do with the papers and bringing in more of the theme with the sticker sheet. Another fun thing to note is that you can order the paper packet on its own or with the sticker sheet included. Now you may be thinking, some of you, what do? I want more of those papers that I used to have. Well, then you will want to look at the workshops because the workshops are incorporating all kinds of exciting new things. Let's move these 2 paper packets aside and pull in the Every Little Thing workshop. In the past, as you know, we have had 2 different types of scrapbooking workshops. We've had the regular workshop and the scrapbooking deluxe workshop. I want you to imagine that those 2 beautiful people had a baby because that's exactly what happened. Our beautiful scrapbooking layout and scrapbooking deluxe layout programs got together and had a baby that was even more beautiful than the parents. So we're going to go through this workshop a little bit and show you all of the details about it. Then I'll pull in the workshop packet so that you can see what comes in the workshop itself. Each of these workshops will make 6 pages, and they will be a variety of single pages or double page layouts, depending. They'll all just be a little bit different. You can see here some really great qualities of this workshop. First of all, in the past, you've never been able to have something like this awesome scallop circle die cut. Also, you probably are noticing these fun, floofy butterflies that are on this layout. So cute. And you're going to see all kinds of things like that on these layouts. Another thing to notice on this layout, these white butterflies you see here are acrylic shapes that are exclusive to this workshop. It's the only place you can get them. Let's move to page 2. Again, very personalized, very customized. We have these great die cuts that you can see here that have the butterflies all cut out for you. And all of the butterflies can be attached so that they have some great dimension. We also have this darling title, adorable title, as well as all kinds of fun accents. And again, we've mixed in a few of those acrylic butterflies that are exclusive to this kit. This next layout is a 2-page layout, and this one has some really exciting new features to it. This, I'm hoping you can see on camera, this title is actually an acrylic shape, this today, that is cut out that comes in your kit. And again, we've included a few more acrylic butterflies here. These are die cuts. Hopefully you can see this fun stitching on this and these great shapes that are cut right out of this die cut. You get all of these pieces that slide right underneath. And you also get all of the embellishments you see here. Something else you may notice on this 2-page layout is that we have some watercolor going on right here and a little bit of watercolor here. Each of our new workshops include an optional technique. And the last 2-page layout for this workshop is this one. Again, it includes some really exciting die cuts. You can see these fun scallops with the pieces that fit right underneath, those acrylic butterflies, and all kinds of fun things added in. Now let's look what comes in this workshop kit. Now that you've seen the pages, you'll be able to see it in application here. So I'm going to pull in the kit. Here is what your kit will look like. It comes with instructions and everything you need for the layout except for a few small optional supplies, which we'll point out to you here in a second. You get the page protectors you need, which are in the bag. You also get, in this workshop, you get 6 sheets of die cuts. So all of those really wonderful shapes that you would have maybe had to use a Cricut machine for, you now get pre-cut, ready to go. You can see that they're labeled here by project so that you can put them right in a stack with whatever they belong with. More die cut sheets. You can see there's that big scallop circle from Project 1. All these great sprigs and things that you can add into your layout. Here we have more die cuts that are labeled by project. This workshop actually has 6 sheets of die cuts that come in it. You'll also notice you get a sheet of sparkles. One of the things we are doing with the new workshops is giving you what you need instead of including a whole package of something you won't use, so that you and your customers are able to use exactly what you need to complete your layouts. Now you'll notice this great bag of acrylic shapes. Even though you're not using the inside of the letters today, we gave them to you. We thought, why not? Why not give them those and let them use them in any way they want? So you get a little bonus in this workshop. As usual, you also get your photo placeholders, printed instructions, and here it tells you exactly what those additional materials are that you need. It's also printed in your catalog. Here we are using watercolor paints, a water brush. Both of those are optional. If you want to add the watercoloring in, we have added a little bit to each of the pages, as well as glue dots and 3D foam tape. It's that simple. There are very few supplies needed. And step-by-step instructions, as always, that show you exactly how to cut and assemble your layouts. Let's talk about cutting for a minute. In the past, cutting has been a large part of our layouts and our workshops. Now cutting has been minimized because of those great die cut sheets that we've provided for you. So for instance, you can see right here, this is the cutting for Every Little Thing scrapbooking workshops. So you and your customers can enjoy more time creating, less time cutting. But you still get an amazing stepped up look to everything you're doing more than ever before. You receive the paper packet and sticker sheet and all the cardstocks that are needed to create your layouts. So there you see what comes in a new workshop kit. Now to wrap this up, I'm just going to quickly show you the beautiful Hawthorne workshop pages. We'll pull those into frame here and let you ooh and ah a little bit over those. This is Project 1, a single page. You can see that we've created a leather look envelope fold for you, which is one of our die cuts. Some really great dimension and shapes here, and this gorgeous cluster die cut leaves with pieces that go right underneath to create this really beautiful effect. We have a fun back to school page that comes in this workshop, and again it has a really great die cut. These frames are all one die cut. These pieces slide beneath and you can add your photos. We use the stickers, and this workshop features some custom wood shapes that you can get nowhere but in this workshop. So that's a really great selling point for you as consultants as you're showing your customers these new workshops. There are products that can only be gotten by buying the workshop. One of those is an exclusive accessory or embellishment. The other is the die cuts that are made exclusively for the workshop. Isn't that exciting? Next we have a 2-page layout, and I love this layout. There's a few things to show you here. The technique that we are featuring in this workshop, in the Hawthorne workshop, is using ink pads with sponges to add color. And on this page we've actually added color to those wooden shapes that we are providing for you that are exclusive only to this kit. So you can see that we've rubbed just a little bit of toffee ink right on those gorgeous wooden shapes. Again, more beautiful die cuts, and I love this cascade look, don't you? The last 2-page layout in this workshop is one that includes all kinds of fun hexagon die cuts that go right on these 2 pages together. We've given you this gorgeous exclusive wooden title, and you can see that on this page, this layout, we've used some sponging here around our hexagons and underneath the title to create a little bit of depth and excitement to those pages. So I hope you are as excited as I am about this brand new workshop program, these new paper packets, the sticker sheets, and all of the fun things that go with all of these new products.